Well, hello there. Tom Green coming back at you with some XD goodness. And today's goodness involves us switching it up. In short, we're going to make a switch. And it's really easy to make in XD because you only need one shape and a simple transition. So let's get started. To get yourself started, just select the rectangle tool and just draw a rectangle. And we're going to come over to the properties panel here, and we're just going to set it to 50 by 50. You can use any numbers you want, but what you want is a perfect square. There we go. And then we're just going to grab these little corner handles here, pull it in to make a perfect circle. Okay, so that's our thumb. Okay, so that's the piece that's going to move. Now we're going to select the object. So I'll swing over to my selection tool, copy it to the clipboard, and then paste it into place. And we're going to name that the base. And with the base selected, all we're going to do is just change the width to 100. Okay, so there we go. And you can see that we've kind of got a switch made here. Now, the one thing I am going to do here is select the base, and I'm just going to give it a light gray fill, just so you can see what we've got here. And if you want, you can make the thumb any color you want, and you don't even need to have a stroke, but we're going to go with both. So we're going to select our object here, and we're going to copy it to the clipboard. Come on over to our second artboard and paste. And when you paste in XD, the really cool thing is the object copied is pasted exactly in dead register on the new artboard. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to select the base here, and we're just going to give it a light fill. I'm just going to give it like a dusty rose fill. And then we're just going to move this thing here on the x-axis, and we're just going to move it right over to the right side of the base. Now pay attention to the two numbers because you'll see the x numbers changing. There you go. And as soon as it hits 0, we have it perfectly positioned. Now all I have to do is come over to the prototype, select the object, drag a wire to this artboard, set the transition to none, that way it will pop. And then I'm going to select this object, set the transition to none, same transition, and let's give it a whirl, see what happens. So there's our switch, boom, over it goes. And there you go. There's how you can easily create a switch inside of Adobe XD, and all you need to do is create a rounded rectangle, and you're good to go.